welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working on backward power pulls. They're scary, but we got this. Hope you guys are ready. Let's start off with an exercise. We're going to do power pulls backwards on 2 feet. On these, let's focus on being more forward on our blade. For the backward power pulls, we're going to limit our body movement, but as we twist to the left, we're making an outside U, going this way. And as we twist to the right, our leg is going to the right. Twist. In the backward power pulls, we're going to be a little bit more forward on our blades. Our upper body is going to have limited range of motion, but is going to work in sync with our lower body. So I think about the back of the shoulder working in sync with the lower leg. So if the lower leg is pointing to the right, my back shoulder is pointing to the right. If my lower leg is pulling to the left, my back shoulder is going to point to the left. So there is just an ever so slight rotation of the shoulders while the chest stays up. With the free leg, there is going to be a slight up and down movement, but just make sure it is not moving side to side. If you guys have seen my forward power pull videos, let's practice our slalom drill. Let's do 3 curves, then 3 power pulls. I think about making little U's with my power pulls. So we're going to make a U on an outside edge, then U on an inside edge, outside edge, inside edge. Our flag is just going to be back behind us. So think about the toe pick pointing down and drawing those little U's on the ice. Awesome job, guys. Let's try the power pulls on 1 foot. Try to stay low in the knees, nice fluid motion. At the top of the curve, that's our maximal knee bend, and we're gonna slightly rise and pull out of that curve. Top of the curve, bend. At the end of the curve, pull out of the curve to get more power on every power pull. That is the goal. A common mistake is to have uneven, powerful edges. Some people will have a nice pull on the outside and a weak pull on the inside, so try to practice making all the loads even. Judges love nice deep edges on this, so try to aim for those ripping sounds on the ice. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and save, and see you guys next time. Happy skating!